Hello, good afternoon students. Jai Sanskar. So now we reach the second point of our lesson number 13 and that is about the speed. I like the speed very much and I hope that you all also like the speed very much. We also like to do everything in a speedily manner. So it gets finished fast and we can play. So let's read about the speed. You are probably familiar with the word speed. તમને બધાને ખબર છે speed શું છે. In the example given, a higher speed seems to indicate that the given distance has been covered in a shorter time or a larger distance is covered in a given time. જે સ્પીડની જે ડેફિનેશન્સ આપવામાં આવે છે એમાં એ લોકો ટાઈમને ફર્સ્ટ મહત્ત્વ ખૂબ જ આપે છે. વાય? બિકોઝ ઇટ ઇઝ ડિસાઇડેડ અકોર્ડિંગ ટુ ધ ટાઈમ. સપોઝ દેટ યુ આર ગિવન અ ટાર્ગેટ, યુ આર ફિનિશિંગ, તમને 100 મીટરની રેસ પૂરી કરવાનું કહેવામાં આવે, તમે બધા 100 મીટરની રેસ પૂરી કરો એનો મતલબ એમ નહીં કે યુ આર ઇન અ સ્પીડ. નો, ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ લાઇક દેટ. ઇટ ઇઝ લાઇક દેટ યુ આર ફિનિશિંગ ધ ટાર્ગેટ ઇન ટુ ધ સેડ ટાઈમ ઓર અ શોર્ટેસ્ટ ટાઈમ. The most convenient way to find out which of the two more object is moving faster is compared to the distance moved by them into the unit time. How to compare that which one is faster and which one is slower? You need to consider the time. Suppose that one of the car is covering the things within the period of time and the another car is covering the same distance but a shortest time. So this is called in a speed. We can tell which one is faster. We call the distance covered by an object in a unit time as a speed. So what is the definition of a speed? You can say that the distance covered by an object into unit time is called a speed of an object. When we say that the car is moving with the speed of 50 kilometers per hour, it implies that it will cover a distance of 15 kilometers in a 1 hour. The best example to measure the speed is that suppose that one car is covering 50 km in a 1 hour and the another car is covering 60 km in a 1 hour. It means that 50 kilometers car is faster. In fact, they start moving slowly and then pick up a speed. So when we say that the car has a speed of 50 kilometers per hour, we usually consider only the time, total distance covered by it in a 1 hour. We do not bother whether the car has been moving with a constant speed or not during that hours. The speed calculated here is actually the average speed of the car. Actually, we cannot decide that the car speed is 50 kilometers per hour, but this is an average speed. Suppose that the road is rough, so you need to slow down your speed. If the road is smooth, then you can move your vehicles very fastly. So the 50 km per hour is just an average speed. We shall use the term speed for the average speed. So for us, speed is the total distance covered by divided by the total time taken. Even this can be the formula to find a speed. So what is the formula to find a speed? Total distance covered divided by total time taken. So now let's read more. In everyday life, we seldom find some object moving with a constant speed over a long distance or for a long duration of time. If the speed of an object moving along a straight line keeps changing, then its motion is said to be in a non-uniform one. And on the other hand, if an object moving along with a straight line with a constant speed, it is said to be the uniform motion. In this case, the average speed of the same as actual speed. See, there is a two type of speed, uniform and non-uniform. What is the uniform time and what is non-uniform? Suppose that some object is moving with the same speed and with the same area, so it is uniform motion. Suppose that some object is just moving with no similar time, then it is non-uniform motion. We can determine the speed of given object once we can measure the time taken by the cover at certain distance. In a class 6, you learned how to measure the distance, but how do we measure the time? Let us find out. See, in a previous class, you have already learned that how to measure a distance, but you don't know how to measure a time. So in this video, in this point, what do you have learned? You have learned that the speed is the concept of distance covered and a total time taken. And there is a two type of motion, uniform and non-uniform motion. So here, the 13.2 is over.